All right. It's 1:20 and we are live. This is Trade Minds Up 120 live trading section, and we'll be ending this live stream by 3 p.m. So there's a news coming up by 1:30 p.m. and we're looking at the USD Premium GDP. We're looking at the unemployment rate. We're looking at the prelim GDP price index. And on my analysis here, I'll be looking at the USD Swiss franc. I'll be looking at the AED, more precisely the gold. Um, I'll be looking at USD Swiss franc, GBP USD. I'll be looking at Euro USD. So right in front of me, I have Euro USD Swiss franc. I'm looking at the market to have to trade to two sides. I'm skeptical about the charts today because of the news, but I'm looking at selling from I'm looking at selling from 084682 USD Swiss franc trades live signal on 1:30 p.m. analysis. I'm looking at a call at sell limit USD Swiss franc sell limit at 0.84682 sell limit USD Swiss franc sell limit 0.4682. You're placing your stop loss at 0.84856. I repeat, USD Swiss franc sell limit 0.84682. 0.84682 sell limit on the USD Swiss franc 0.84682, and you're placing your stop loss at 0.84842. So take profit at 31, 0.84474. Take profit one at 0.84474 and take profit two at 0.83986. So I'm looking at the market on USD Swiss franc to get to resistance and definitely look for support before it can actually go the opposite way. So it's almost 7 minutes to go, so I need to quickly look at different charts before we have the news that is coming up. So I'm looking at the resistance in here in trading, which I'll use a layman term, the resistance on this area. So I'm looking at the market to either tap into. So I'm looking at two things, the two zones, my resistance and my support. So I'll be dropping another signal on the USD Swiss franc again. So quickly put a buy limit at still USD Swiss franc. Please, if you're using a prop firm that does not allow arbitrage, then you would miss out this signal. That is why you need to get a prop firm from Trade Minds Up. We allow these things. We allow arbitrage trading. We allow, you can actually put a sell limit and you actually put a buy limit. But most prop don't allow that, but we allow that. So, but then if you have your normal broker, XNS, anyone you trade with, you can definitely trade with what actually going to call right here. So I've actually called the sell. So I'm calling the buy limit on the USD Swiss franc. So guys, let's look at USD Swiss franc. Still on the USD Swiss franc. Buy limit 084184. Buy limit, yes, this is Frank. 08184. I'm trying to write up some other guys to join in. Some people said they will miss my live stream, so I'm trying to put them into the live stream. Buy limit USD Swiss franc 084184. And stop loss at 084023. 084023. 084023. Let me quickly set that on my own trading, my own accounts. I'm trading with a live account, $146. Just want to like have a little account to flip today. Already the gold is showing signs of rejection. So USD Swiss franc sell limits. My eyes on the USD Swiss franc sell limits. We have 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go. Stop playing, guys. Stop playing, guys. Let's go. Let's go. USD Swiss franc sell limit. Sell your sell limit. I repeat again. Your sell limit 084682. 084682. Stop loss at 084862. 084862. Your stop loss at 08462. All right, guys, we're about to hit the news that is coming up soon. 2 minutes more. Stop playing, guys. Let's go. Let's go. I hope you guys have actually set to buy. So let me quickly look at the GBP USD. All right, guys. So I'm looking at the GBP on my support, meaning the news might actually sell. I'm looking at it to drop to my support line here on the USD Swiss franc. It's almost time. It's almost time, guys. It's almost time. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. It's a high impact news. This market will actually have a market. So let's anticipate. Let's anticipate. It's almost there. It's almost there, guys. It's almost there. 1 minute to go for the news. I'm expecting this market to drop to, so buy limit, the GBP USD buy limit, take it as 13135. GBP USD buy limit. GBP USD buy limit. GBP USD buy limit 131357. Buy limit GBP USD 131357. I repeat, GBP USD 131357. Stop loss at 131090. News is out. The news is out. USD Swiss franc 835. So reduce your stop loss to 084862. 835. Let's see what happened. It comes out that the strengthened. Oh, we're taking the opposite direction. We're taking the opposite direction. It comes out that the dollar will be strengthening. I think that news would strengthen the dollar. Please exit from your USD Swiss franc now. Exit, exit, exit. Exit USD Swiss franc, please. We're taking the wrong side of the market. Exit your sales on the USD Swiss franc now. You're taking the wrong side of the market. We're taking the wrong side of the market. Exit, exit. Close on a little minimum sell. Close. We're taking the wrong side of the market. The news comes out that it is bullish. Close, please. You're taking the wrong side of the market. It has actually activated those, but close. Close all sales on the USD Swiss franc. Close all sales on the USD Swiss franc. The news came out that its dollar is strengthened, and we're trading the opposite of the news. You can look at the forecast, it was 2.8%, while the actual came out as 3.0%, and which shows it actually strengthened the dollar. So our buy limit should be holding on the USD Swiss franc. So let me quickly look forward to other pairs. Please close all your sales on the USD Swiss franc. Please, please, please. It's really a wrong sell analysis. It's really a wrong sell analysis. It's really a wrong sell analysis. I'm anticipating the market by 3 p.m. to do the opposite of the market. So I would set a pending order again on the Euro USD. Please exit all sales on the USD Swiss franc. Please exit all sales on the, I repeat, please exit all sales on the USD Swiss franc. Exit all sales on the USD Swiss franc. All sales on the USD Swiss franc, please exit. All sales on the USD Swiss franc, please exit. Please exit all sales on the USD Swiss franc. Please exit all sales on the USD Swiss franc. All sales on the USD Swiss franc, please exit. Oh, the market is on a sharp rejection at that area from where anticipated, but because of the news, I don't think it's a valid setup. But I will drop in another signal soon. The resistance is pulling the market off from the zone I call the sell, but based on the news that came out, this is a wrong signal. I would not be trusting this resistance anymore. I am a resistance and support trader. I am proud to tell you that this is who I am. I'm a resistance and support trader. I don't do anything in this market. I trade at the area where the market will sell from. I trade at where the market will buy from. I don't chase price. I don't do this and that. So if I'm actually dropping a call signal sometimes, some days, be prepared that sometimes I'm not giving you an instant market execution. I am going to give you pending orders on the market. So you always take note of me using the word buy limit and sell limit. Please, if you don't know how to place pending orders on your trading, your MT4, please go and learn it before the next live stream, because I look at the certain point the market will react from, and you can see even the sales I call before it breaks through it, because it will break. We are seeing a sharp rejection from it. Some of the people who actually had me late, but to the sales here, I've actually made profits. But I'm actually telling you guys to sit on the sales I called because of the news that just came out. But though you're supposed to be in profit, if you took that and you're still in, you're supposed to be in profit. But please, I repeat again, exit on the USD Swiss franc sales. Please exit on the USD Swiss franc sales. Let's look at the Euro USD, because I said I'll be looking at these certain markets. So I'm looking at a support on the Euro USD. Or another place I'm looking at to sell this market on the Euro USD on the resistance point is here. Take note, I'm a resistance and support trader. I don't change price, so I look at the areas where market will definitely react from, and I place my trade based on those areas. So this is resistance. I don't do anything in this market other than support and resistance. So I'm predicting the market to come within these areas, and I will take my shot. If the market will rally, which will go up to my resistance, down to tap my support, there's another below support down here. But if it goes, this is the one that I'll be looking forward for the market to use. If you utilize this, or if it fails, this support fails, I'll be skeptical about the down support that is there, because the market might be looking forward to what, to change factors that and next week would actually determine whether the dollar will be weakening. Last week Friday, Paul said that the interest rates will be looking forward to the interest rates in the dollar might be looking as if they will be reduced. So that's actually going to bring a lot of weakness to the dollar. So I'm still bullish on the Euro USD. I'm weak on the dollar. I'm weak on the dollar. So all my analysis are based on that. And what we're saying here, just this news is saying that the dollar will actually gain strength today. But with what I'm saying here, the strength would not that much because it's still Thursday. I like trading a Thursday market because I understand what has happened on Monday, on Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday and Thursday market are my days of trading. I love these days. So I like trading these days because I could see what has actually happened within the week. So the Wednesday and Thursday are the midweek in trading. So I can actually look at these areas of support and resistance that this market has actually created in a week, and actually frame my trade perspective with those buyers in that week. That is why trade winds up signal or trading call sections are Wednesdays and Thursdays. But take note, I love using the pending orders because sometimes the market has not actually reached on my area, but because of the live season, you will see firsthand of what I'm looking at. You will see the areas I'm actually looking forward for. You will see the areas of support and resistance. Then I will actually give a trade call signal live in front of you. And please, if there is no instructions for you to delete your pending orders, leave your pending orders there. Leave your pending orders there. 1 week, 2 weeks, this market can actually run to those areas and will actually activate you and would put you into profit. So some days, like last week Thursday, we made money in a trade call which I did an instant market execution. But please don't expect that always on our live stream calls. Sometimes we can miss a movement like this, and then our pending orders might be far from getting triggered. But please take note, don't delete your pending orders when I give a trade call. All right, so this is Euro USD, and I was trying to give a buy limit on the Euro USD, and I'll be looking forward to also give a sell limit. So let me go to the daily time frame. The daily time frame signifies that area that I'm looking at buying is a wrong area. So it means that I'll change my perspective to the daily time frame. I'll change my perspective to the daily time frame. Sorry guys, I'll change my perspective to the daily time frame, because one thing people don't understand is, please, if you're still in USD Swiss franc sales, exit either on profit or on minimum loss of it. Won't even take anything from your account, maybe $1, because as soon as I saw the news, I said the call is wrong. Euro USD, GBP USD, USD Swiss franc, Euro USD and GBP USD will sell, USD Swiss franc and USD JPY will buy to a certain resistance, and I'm actually, my eyes are on the Euro USD. So I want to see, let me actually do analysis on the Euro USD. So I want to see this market on the daily time frame. This is my support line. I'm looking at the market to get to my support. So we're actually having a decline. So this is my support on the daily time frame. This is a swing low. I'm looking at for the market to have a high react USD. Please, also you can actually learn through the trade live calls. These are the reasons why we have the trade live calls, so you can actually see this market, the reasons, the things I see before I take some certain decisions. The things I see before I take some certain decisions. Hold on guys, I have to check how many people are in the live stream with my phone. So I'm looking at the Euro USD charts and live stream call. We are live. This is happening live in front of you. So I'm looking at the market to buy back to resistance from the middle, the beginning of that support to the middle is where I'm looking for my entries. This is my anticipation on the Euro USD. This market will actually have a decline, which we are seeing because of the news, the Euro USD news. I won't actually take a trade because I've actually I don't have an entry, a reason why I should take that trade, but I'm looking at the market to drop to support. Same thing, the gold will be having a decline. We'll look at the gold market soon. So I'm looking at the Euro USD charts. So this, I want to give a signal on the Euro USD chart, and I noticed some people are actually saying I'm a little bit fast. So I'll actually type the buy limit on my screen. So you look at it and you just quickly place it or write it down, place it on your phone. So I'm looking at this market to drop to our support on the, so it could actually take 1 day, 2 days. Like I said, if I don't give you instructions on closing your pending orders, please don't close, because it could take days, weeks for it to activate. But I'm looking at that. I don't chase price, but I'm looking at the exact point where the market will get to and we reject and will make money. I don't chase price. I'm a support and resistance trader. And so a support and resistance trader, sometimes it takes us patience to take trade before we place a trade. But you would make money on the pending orders I'm going to drop Today, we've missed our instant market execution because the news favored the dollar. At the minute the news came out, we were supposed to be in profit in USD to strong, but based on the news, I tell everybody to close their instant execution and also close their limit orders that the market triggered on the USD Swiss franc. I repeat again, those who still took the USD Swiss franc as a sell, please close all your sells because the market will violate that resistance. It will look for a upper resistance, and every pair, the Euro USD, the GBP USD, and the USD Swiss franc, would move in tandem. So if, for instance, the Euro is buying, that is when the USD Swiss franc will sell. But at this point, Euro USD is selling, so USD Swiss franc will buy. So they're like opposite in nature, but they move in tandem based on the dollar is what is there, USD Swiss franc and Euro USD. So currently, the 1:30 p.m. news favored the dollar, so that is why you can see the dollar everywhere is being strengthened. But take note, overall trend, the dollar is still weakening, and that is what I want to trade. I don't trade the retracements most of the times. I trade the impulse. So this market is actually having a retracement. So buy limits on the Euro USD charts. Let me give it on the group as a bonus to those who did not come to. But soon I won't be doing this. Rate it good. Euro USD. This is the signal here. You can see it here. Buy limit at 1.1044114. Sorry. Buy limit at 1.10114. Stop loss at 1.09533. Take profit at 1.10989. Let's look at the gold charts soon after this. There's a news by 3 p.m. that I'm expecting. All the signals might dropping might actually activate next week. Please don't delete your pending orders till I say so. Please don't delete your pending orders till I say so. These pending orders we are setting could activate even tomorrow, could activate today, right in front of you. This market could actually have a sub, but this is a daily time frame, so this market would activate anytime. So please don't close your pending orders till I say so. Don't close your pending orders till I say so. This is a 60 pip stop loss, so you have to use a mini lot size based on your capital, your account size. For prop firms of $5,000, you can risk within 1% of a $5,000. So please and please don't I repeat, don't over risk on the pending orders. Highest you can actually open 2 open positions, where if you're having your account that is lower than $50, $100, please use 0.01 on 1 open position on the Euro USD because of the risks that is being there. Please always focus on the risks every time I drop a signal, anytime I drop a trade call, please always focus on the risks. So let's look at the gold. I just feel like doing an instant market execution, though I have not actually configured it here on this laptop. So let's look at the XA Euro USD and call it a day. For that instant, that IFG market is on a place where I don't think this market will drop. So these are the things I'm looking at. I broke down the structure from daily time frame down to the lower time frame, and I will actually be focusing in here on the gold. This is XAUUSD, which is the gold chart, and the market is looking like we would have a bullish market continuation. We'll have a bullish market continuation from where the market is currently now. We are at a support. I'm tempting to drop a buy limit trade, sorry, an instant market buy setup, but the market does not look so right on here. So I'll actually give it a pass on this XAUUSD. But I was actually predicting the market to actually have a sell, which it has done. But let me break this down to more lower time frames, also more lower time frames. Okay, so it's valid that we should be anticipating sells on the Euro US, on I said the Euro USD, the XUSD. If the market gets to the resistance again, it means that it will be wanting to fill in the long candlestick it just filled, so it might want to trade back to the resistance point. If that's possible, or the market can actually fill my support. So that is why I want to chart today. I just dropped the pending orders, which um you we took on the Euro USD, which we took on the Euro USD chart. So guys, before I wrap it up again, let me look at Euro JPY. Euro JPY might move during the Asian period, or we can actually take that market execution depending. All right, guys, I think I got the signal finally. Doesn't look much better on the 1 hour. Euro USD. I said Euro USD. Euro JPY. I am looking at an instant market execution sell, but let me see something before I actually conclude. The market looks like a sell right now, but I'm still skeptical. Very skeptical about the sell on the Euro JPY. Very skeptical about that sell, but it looks valid. Euro JPY instant market execution sell looks valid, but I'm skeptical about it. I was looking at the market to come in here to sell, but it looks valid in a way. It looks valid. It looks valid. It looks valid. Looks valid. But I am this kind of trader that I don't gamble. It looks valid, but I don't want to gamble those cells there. It's at a good resistance, a good resistance. It Euro JPY is at a good resistance. Still skeptical if we will take it or we should pass. Let me look keep size and how much risk is there. Currently, the market is moving upwards. It looks like there's more momentum upwards on the Euro JPY, but there are a series of rejections in there, which I'm seeing. I'm seeing something there currently now. Let's pass. Let's pass. Let's call this the end of today's section because there is nothing valid on the chart. And maybe next week will be better, or because of this, I'll actually an instant institutions maybe later on, or maybe set pending order, send signals to the group maybe tomorrow. So please think, be aware of our still the cells still look valid in a way, but I don't want to gamble it. It actually broke my point of interest, but it's still in a place where we could still sell, but this market has actually tapped in here. I didn't mean this market did not tap in the resistance or the swing high here, then our this sell should have been valid. So the market will actually buy back up to run for the certain stop losses that will be residing above it. That is why the things I'm seeing people stop loss here. You're not seeing it, but I'm seeing it. I'm seeing people stop losses here. It has actually rated some here. I'm looking at people stop losses here. That is why I'm actually skeptical about the sell. So I'm drop a signal when the market rates these stop losses, and then that is when I'll do the opposite of the market. So some people will say the broker is after stop loss. The brokers are not after stop loss. There are guys that you don't see that I see that here I am seeing them. As I'm looking at this chart, I'm seeing them, but you're not seeing them. I can actually see where your stop losses are based on the analysis I'm actually seeing here. It's running upward. That's why I didn't drop the sell. So you see why I'm skeptical. I'm skeptical. It was supposed to be a resistance that will push this market downwards, but it did not. So I did not drop it because of that reason. So guys, you see, information is power, so they say, and you don't know why I'm actually looking at sales. You don't know why I said we should not take the sales again. So that is why that same thing, that's the same reason why I said we shouldn't take the USD CHF signal that I was trying to drop. It should have broken it now. Oh, it sold, but sold. Wow. So, but almost hit our stop loss. It's still within our entry, but it's a no for me. It's a no for me. It's a no for me. There's nothing on the charts. There's nothing on the charts. So I think I've looked at GBP. Looked at GBP USD. Let me look at USD JPY. Oh, okay. One more before we go. 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 USD JPY. One more before we go. No video. One more before we go, before the live stream ends. As will be chasing this sell, they'll be looking at this resistance. And like I said, I told you guys that I can see people stop losses here. You don't see it. I see what people are doing in this right in front of me. I can see it. You don't see it. That is why information is very powerful. It's information is powerful, or information is power. So run to these certain trend lines that are sitting above here on the USD Swiss franc. I like trading the majors, and I want to see the market come back to my support. So I'm looking at this market. To drop back to this point. USD JPY buy. I'm only giving the sell, so I want to see this market have a sweet retracement because we are now having the market creating higher highs. So the market, anytime the market looks for resistance, the market comes back to look for support. So we're in resistance, anticipating if this resistance will have a pull back to the support. I'm looking at the market to create a new higher high, though the overall market condition is bearish on the H1. But then on higher time frames, like weekly, monthly, weekly, and daily, the overall is still bullish. So I'm looking at the perspective. I blend these time frames down to frame my trade idea. Before I call this over, there is no instant market execution. There is pending orders. Pending orders are still trading orders. Please, if you don't know how to set pending orders, because some people feel like, oh, I'm caught. LineFX is, trading setup is calling USD JPY sell limits, and some people will feel like I'm giving an instant market sell, and they will just go into their MT4 and click sell. No, I am not doing that. I am giving I'm giving a pending order. Pending orders are orders that have not been registered. We just place them in the market, and then when price comes to this area, they activate. So listen up, I'm actually focused on the buy limit side. So buy limit USD JPY final call 144.846. USD JPY final buy limit. Final call. Buy limit 144.846 and stop loss at 144.383. Final call, and then take profits at 147.384. 147.384. Final call before we close the live trading section. I hope you guys actually have your pending order set. Please, I repeat again, don't close these pending orders till I give instructions. If these pending orders are there and are not triggered, they would eventually trigger. I know why I'm actually setting these pending orders, because the market will reach back. It's just like a magnet. The market will magnet those prices back to those areas, I'm calling the pending orders. So guys, see you guys next week Thursday. We didn't take any instant market execution. Nobody made money today, but then the pending orders that we're setting, a lot of people will make money from these pending orders also. So take note of all the pending orders we've set. All right, so you can actually give a screenshot if you're in the live stream on all the pending orders that you're here. Share it on also the group and share it to your guys that this is the pending orders you got on live stream. You saw it live and then you anticipate, you wait for it to trigger, and when it trigger, believe me, you're going to make money on those pending orders, because I am not dropping pending orders because I want you to lose. I am dropping those pending orders because I am looking at the areas this market will sell from and this market will buy from. So see you guys next Thursday. As we look into the charts, we break it down again and we look at areas that will sell and we look at the areas that will buy. Sometimes we might take an instant market execution. Sometimes we can predict the market before it happens. And that is how the live streams will be going every Thursdays. Every Wednesdays on Thursdays, some Wednesdays, but Thursday is a must because that is the day I always take a trade on my account. So see you guys Wednesday, same time, 1:20 p.m. Wednesday, 1:20 p.m. Thursdays, but precisely Thursdays. Sometimes Wednesdays are exempted because one or two stocks, I might be doing one or two stocks, and the market might not be. But then Thursdays are live stream. You see these things, the resistance and support on the chart. You see these things. I call these things right in front of you. Where this market will buy from, where this market will sell from, and you take a trade based on this perspective. All right, guys. Take care, guys. If you enjoyed the season, all throughout the seasons, you followed all throughout the seasons, and like I said, you took all the pending orders, please take a screenshot or to the group and share it also, and also your guys who are there for you to see, for them to see that, oh, these pending orders, we Trade Minds Up, you went into the last season with Trade Minds Up and you said these pending orders and you actually shared it to your friends, so they will also make money. Yes, they didn't join, but they will also make money. So don't miss out the next live trading call because we would make plenty of money in the next one. All right, guys.